Hello everyone. Today let us continue exercise 3.3 from chapter 3 playing with numbers, that is class 6 mathematics. Fourth bit. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. That means here today we are going to test divisibility of numbers, that is by 11. So the first problem is 5445 and the given number is divisible by 11 or not, we are going to check here. First consider the number 5445. Here according to the divisibility rule of 11, we are adding all the numbers which are in, all the digits which are in odd places at first, and then the numbers which are in even places, then we are going to take the difference. Now let us move on to the procedure. Odd places are 1, 3. Here we have two numbers, that is in ones place and hundreds place. Add the digits. Sum of odd places, that is sum of odd places. The number which are there in odd places are 4 plus 5, that is 9. Now let us move on to the next, that is sum of even places digits. Sum of digits which are in digits of even places. Second place, this is 10th place. Fourth place, that is thousands place, that is 5 plus 4 gives you 9. Now what we should do is, we should go for difference of sum of odd and even. That is, we should take difference of these both sum which we have got already. That is 9 minus 9, result is 0. If the difference of sum of odd and even places should be either 0 or 11, then we can say that the number is divisible by 11. Here we got 0. Therefore we can say that 5445 is divisible by 11. Let me repeat it. The given number is 5445. Now let me consider the number and mark the digits which are in odd places, that is first place and third place. First ones place we have 5 and third, that is hundreds place, we have 4. So let me add the numbers. Sum of digits of odd places. Sum of the digits of odd places, that is 4 plus 5 gives you 9. Now sum of digits at even place, that is second place, that is tens place, and fourth place, that is thousands place. 5 plus 4, this 5 and this 4, that is 9. Now let me take the difference of these two sums which we have obtained already. That is difference of sum of odd and even. That is 9 minus 9. This 9 and this 9 we should take out the difference. Difference is, that is subtraction. 9 minus 9 is 0. Therefore, if according to the divisibility rule, if the difference is 0 or 11, we can say that the number is divisible by 11. Therefore, 5445 is divisible by 11. Let me continue with the problem. This is 71,38,965 is the given number. Now let us proceed to the number, that is consider the number first, then odd places, that is 1, first place, ones place, third place, that is hundreds place, this is fifth place, that is 10,000s place, and this is seventh place, that is 10 lakhs place. Now let me take all the number which are there in odd places. 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5. These are the digits which are present in odd places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are considering only 1, 3, 5 and 7th place. Now 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19 plus 5, 24. Now let me move on to the next part, that is sum of digits of even places. Now consider even place. Second place, fourth place, sixth place. That is 1 plus 1 is in lakhs place, 8 is in thousands place, and 6 is in tens place. Now add this. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. Now according to the rule, difference of sum of even and odd. These two difference we should take, that is 24 minus 15. 24 minus 15 is 9. So 9 is neither 0 or not divisible by 11. According to the rule of divisibility for 11 is the difference should be either 0 or else the multiple of 11. But here 9 is not 0 and also not a multiple of 11. So we can say that therefore 71 lakh 38,965 is not divisible by 11. Is not divisible by 11. Let me repeat once. First consider the number that is 71 lakh 38,965. Now choose the digits which are in odd places, that is 5, 9, 3 and 7. Now let me add the number 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 9 is 19, plus 5 is 24. Now sum of the digits at even places, that is 6 plus 8 plus 1. That is 1 plus 8 plus 6. When you add all the three numbers, you get 15. Now difference of sum of odd and even, that means what sum we have done already, those two difference we should take out, that is subtraction. 24 minus 15, when you subtract you get 9. This 9 is not 0, not equal to 0 or not a multiple of 11. Not a multiple of 11. That means the given number is not divisible by 11. Therefore, we can say that 71 lakh 38,965 is not divisible by 11. Now let us move on to the fifth bit. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that number formed is divisible by 3. As you can see here, a number is given where the highest place value is empty. That is 6074 is given already, but here we should fill any of the digit from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. From 1 to 9, you can choose both the highest number and lowest number, that is smallest digit and biggest digit. You should choose and then follow the divisibility rule of 3. Then test whether the formed number, after choosing this digit, the formed number is divisible by 3 or not. Now first let me choose the smallest digit 1. Here they are asking both the smallest digit and the greatest digit. According to us, the smallest starts from 1. So let us begin with 1. If I put 1 here, it becomes 16,724. This blank is filled with 1, then the number is 16,724. Now sum of digits. According to the divisibility rule of 3, we have to add all the digits. Sum of digits. Now after considering 1, let us start with the sum, that is 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. So as you can see, 20 is not a multiple of 3, is not a multiple of 3, is not a multiple of 3. Therefore, we can say that the number formed 16,724 is not divisible by 3. Is not divisible by 3. Now, let us consider the next number, that is 2. If you consider 2 here, the number formed is 26,724. Now, sum of digits. 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Now, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 2 17, plus 4 is 21. 21 is a multiple of 3. It's a multiple of 3. Now we can say that the number formed, that is 26,724 is divisible by 3. It's divisible by 3. Let me repeat it. So, as when you consider 1, first the number formed is 16,724. Now, sum of digits, because why we are doing sum of digits? According to divisibility rule of 3, we should add all the digits, then check the sum is divisible by 3 or not. Now, considering this number 16,724, add all the digits. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, plus 2, 16, plus 4 is 20. As you can see, 20 is not a multiple of 3, we can say that the number formed, that is 16,724, is not divisible by 3. Now let me consider the next number, that is 2. When you consider 2 in the blank, the number formed is 26,724. Now according to the divisibility rule, sum of digits we should test first. Sum of digits is 2 plus 6 8 plus 7 15 plus 2 17 plus 4 21. 21 is a multiple of 3. Now that is, therefore 26,724 is divisible by 3. Number, again same, consider same number, dash 6724, that is, here consider from the highest place value. First highest number here is 9. The biggest number or the greatest digit is 9. First consider here, if you consider 9, the number found is 96,724. Sum of digits. Sum of digits. When you add all the digits present in this number, then 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Let me add. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 7 is 22, plus 2 is 24, plus 4 is 28. As you can see, 28 is not a multiple of 3. Not a multiple of 3. That means this number is not divisible. Now again consider this blank. Again move on to the next highest, that is 8. Now you can choose 8. First we have chosen 9 here. Now you choose 8 here. If you choose 8, it will become 86,724. Sum of digits. Sum of digits to this given number is 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 4 is 27. Of course, 27 is multiple of 3, is multiple of 3. Then you can say that therefore the number 86,724 is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Now what are the numbers which are formed? Therefore numbers formed are, let me write both the numbers. The first number was 26,724. 2 is the underlined digit, and 86,724. Both are divisible by 3. But here we have used the smallest number and here we have used greatest digit. Both the digits are different according to the number line. Now let us move on to the 6th bit of the same exercise. This is last bit also. Here I am going to solve a problem. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers and see that the number formed is divisible by 11. That is, here the number is given and a blank is given in the number. When you choose any of the digit, you can fit here, that is from 0 to 9. Here we can consider 0 also because this is not the highest place value. If this is not a highest place value, you can start from 0. Any of the digit you can choose, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any of the digit you choose here and see that the given number is divisible by 11. But according to the divisibility rule of 11, first we have to add, that is odd places and then even places, then take difference. Now let us move on to the process. That is, the given number is this one. That is 8 lakh dash 9,484 is the given number. Now here you should put a number. First let me write the sum of digits at odd places. Odd places are 4, 1, first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place and sixth place. Odd is first place, third place and fifth place. That is dash plus 4 plus 4. Now sum of digits at even places. Even places second, fourth and sixth place. That is 8 plus 9 plus 8. This gives you 8 plus 8, 16 plus 9, 25. Now according to the rule of divisibility of 11, when you take out the difference of sum of digits at odd places and even places, the difference should be either 0 or 11. But here you have 25 here and here you should get a number. That means here you should put a single digit number which should give the sum such that sums and this sums difference, if you take out, it should be either 0 or 11. Now let me take the highest digit, that is 9. Single digit number here we should choose. We cannot go for more than 9. We should take here 9 or less than 9 because these are all are the single digit numbers. First when you take 9, 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 4 is 17. And difference of 17 minus 25 minus 17 is 8. That means this is not divisible by 11. Why? Because difference should be either 0 or 11. Now consider this number again, that is sum of places. Dash plus 4 plus 4 gives you 17. This is odd places. Sum of odd places. This dash you should consider. Then this is sum of even places. Now again check with some another number which is in this list. That is any of the digit you can choose. But here I will show you a method to choose the number easily. That is, already we know that this sum is 25, which is not going to change. This sum is fluctuating sum because if you put any number, the sum will change. For one number the sum is 17, for the other number the sum will be different. Here it is not 17 because we did not choose. Here it was 17 because we have chosen 9. But here you should choose a number such that when you add these 3 digits, this sum and this sum, both the difference should be either 0 or else multiple of 11. Now to make the difference multiple of 11, first let me see that 25 minus 11, if you do, you will get 14. You will get 14. Why I am taking 11? Because the difference should be either 11 or 0. If I take 25 minus 11, it gives 14. That means our sum here should be 14. Whatever sum we get here, that should be 14. Then this 14 and this 25, if you take the difference, then the difference will be 11. If you want it to be 14, that is 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 6. 6 plus 4 plus 4 gives you 14. Now take out the difference, that is 25 minus 14. Difference of sum of odd and even places. Difference of sum of odd places and even places. That is 25 is sum and this 14 is 11. Why I am subtracting here before by 11? Because once you subtract 11 from it, whatever the result you get, it should be the sum of this number. That means when you see 14, if you fit 14 here, that 14 and 25 if you subtract, you will get 11. Same thing I have subtracted before. This is a shortcut method, or else you can opt a single number and test each and every number. You should go on testing. Unnecessarily not to take so many numbers at a time. So we can take any number that is given is 11, 25 minus 11 if you do. This is the one sum of even places. Minus 11, why? Because here we have a 25 minus x should be 11. That is 25 minus 11 gives you x. What is x here? X is the sum of this unknown number or the unknown sum. If you want to get the unknown sum, you can place as x. Later you can replace by showing 25 minus 11 is equal to 14. Why? Because this 14, if you fit here, these two sums will give you 11. By seeing this 11, we can say that the given number is divisible by 11. Now, so as per the given question, this is 8,69,484 because we should put 6 here according to the sum. You can see we have put 6 because to get 14. 25 minus 11 we have done already because the sums, that is 25 minus 14, when you do you will get 11. That means when the difference you get is 11. when the difference is equal to 25 minus 14 gives you 11, you can say that the number is divisible by 11. That means this number, here we are going to put 6. Then according to the rule, we can say that 8,69,484 is divisible by 11. Thank you children. Now this exercise is almost done, 3.3. Let us move on to the next concept, that is LCM and HCF in the next session.